Hi, today I will show you how to make this video in FilmoraGo.
Alright, it's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up.
We start from the first location. Trim the video until the ring is put on. Then add the video from the second location. Also trim the video until the ring is put on. And that's what we got. Magic, you know? Then we have to crop the video from the second location until the ring is took off. Remove excess. Trim the video from the first location until the ring is took off. And that's what we got. Magic with FilmoraGo. We put on the ring one more time and trim. Add the video from the third location. The same magic we have to do with the videos from the third location. We trim the video until the ring is took off. Remove the excess. And we find ourselves in the first location again. It's a magic with FilmoraGo.